Hi, it's William from Nicola Car. Just giving you a little walk around at this BMW 316D. As you can see, I'll start off. It does have front and rear sensors on the car. There is a couple of stone chips just on the front here, but with this car having 70,000 miles, that is something that you expect with it being used. Going along the bodywork, there's just a couple of stone chips just here on the bonnet, but going around the passenger side, you can see again, there's really nice silver alloys. Going down the car, you can see the back does have the privacy glass. That means it is tinted, so if you've got any children or anything like that, no one can look in. On the rear, they have the sensors as well. The tailgate on this one is fully electronical. And on the inside, you have a really large boot button just there. Lowers the back. And even with this being an estate, you do have the added feature of the glass being able to pop up, so you can just place your shopping inside just there. Going on to the driver's side, there is just a couple of stone chips just on that bumper just there, but as you go down, it really is in great condition for the mileage. Going on to the inside, this car is packed full of features. I'll show you. I'll switch it on there for you. As you can see on there, you do have your media controls just there. Your aircon, this does have heated seats, as well as you do have your Sport, Eco Pro and all that kind of stuff. It is an automatic, which is really nice, makes it a breeze to drive. And on there, that just controls the unit just there. On this model, you do have lane assist and cruise control just there, and even on the steering wheel, there's your speed limiter and your cruise control adjustments just here. You do have auto lights and auto wipers on this model, so it really does make driving a breeze. And I'll show you just the condition of the seats just here. As you can see, there's no marks on the leather at all, and it has been taken care of really well. If you'd like any more information on the car, it does come with 6 months warranty, 2 keys, floor mats, and if you've got any questions at all, give us a call on 01226 574 410. That's 01226 574 410. Thank you.